Okay. Well, I got some more really good news for you.
No.
Have you been listening to your radio today?
Not much. I volunteer on this day.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Because we've been trying to call you for 4 days.
You haven't.
We have. Hella, guess what?
I don't believe it.
You don't believe it? You better believe it, my darling. You have won the first prize again. $15,000.
I can't believe it. Oh, people will be so jealous.
They will be jealous.
No, you're serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
How much was that, 15?
15,000. Same as you won last time.
Yeah, oh, good, isn't it? I don't believe it.
Yeah.
Is it really true?
It's really true.
Oh, of course, I need the champagne. No, I just cannot believe it until I see it.
It's really, really true, Hella. Look, everybody here is going to give a big cheer for you.
Yeah, I heard it.
It's a bit exciting,
It
isn't
is
it?
so exciting. I can't believe it.
I couldn't believe it either when we drew the ticket on Friday, and I tried to ring you and you weren't there, and I was, oh no, where is she?
Oh, really?
And they even put it on the radio today. Will Miss H call us because we can't get in contact with you?
Oh, yeah, no.
We've had everybody ringing up trying to claim your prize.
Oh, dear, oh, dear.